2020 has been a year of unprecedented upheaval that we haven't seen for a whole generation. There's been tragic deaths, protests, counter-protests, riots, and all of this is while there's been a global pandemic going on. One of the hardest parts of dealing with this has been the fact that we can't all meet together like normal. And so, starting in October, we are launching the Unity Challenge. There are going to be 4 major things that this Unity Challenge is going to provide space for us to do. Number 1 is fellowship. One of the challenges we've been facing on top of all the other challenges is how isolated we've all been. And so this will provide us time and space as we run, walk, or bike together to talk and pray and hear from each other what's been going on in their lives. The second thing this is going to accomplish is dialogue. Each week, there are going to be videos, podcasts, articles that we're going to share with the group that will be on topics of things like racial reconciliation and multi-ethnic missions. These are things that impact not only our community, but our church as well. And so this will provide the space for you to dialogue about these topics with other people that are going through the same things that you are. The third thing that the Unity Challenge promotes is unity. Our hope is that through spending time together and through dialoguing together, we will have greater understanding, greater empathy, greater love for one another, and through this will help unify us during this time. The fourth thing that this will accomplish is we're going to raise funds for 2 mission projects that relate to the topic of multi-ethnic missions. The first of these is a first trip scholarship. This is to encourage people from all backgrounds who have never been on their first mission trip to be able to go on their first mission trip. So the funds that we'll be raising are going to sponsor this fund. The other project that this is going to sponsor is our mission internship program. This has been something that's been in the works for some time now. This is going to help us leverage our place on God's multi-ethnic bridge as a way to gather, train, and send out the next generation of missionaries. And this is going to be done through our internship program. The final thing is this is going to be time in nature and in the community. It's a great time to spend time together, walking around the beauty of God's creation and out in our community. Imagine as we wear our team jerseys and we go out walking together, our diverse group of people who are going to be together, how the community would see this. This is a time when our nation says we should be hating each other, we should be fighting, and this is going to be us taking our differences, putting them together, and spending time talking through these things. There are 4 things that I'm inviting you to do. The first is sign up online. If you follow the link, you'll be guided to our online sign up where you can create a profile for yourself and or your family. Second, join a team. Let us know, do you want to walk, run, or bike? The desire is that as you do your activities, you'll be doing this with other people on that team, not just doing them by yourself. Number 3, we want you to join the Facebook group. This is separate from our Willcrest Facebook page, and if you're a participant, you will be able to post pictures from your activities, see other people's activities. This is where we're going to put the links to the videos. If you're participating by either sponsoring someone or by just through prayer, you're also able to join this group so you can be a part of the dialogue that's continuing to happen there as well. The final thing we want you to do is post this to your social media, email it to your friends, text it to your friends and family. We want you to invite them to participate with you, either as a participant or as a sponsor, or just to be engaged in the dialogue. And so they're allowed to participate in this as well. So sign up starts now, and the activities start in October. So I hope you will join us.